How you doing? My name is TreniuS Henderson, and you're tuned into the famous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. How to stay in the utmost highest frequency of money to be able to attract money easily and effortlessly to you, okay? I guarantee you, I can 100% guarantee you, at the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what you need to do to stay in the money frequency, which is the most highest frequency to attract money into your life using the law of attraction, okay? Whether you believe it or not, but ever since you were an infant, you was a money magnet. Your mother saw you as a money magnet. That's why she bought all the gifts and the toys for you and you didn't have to buy them. Every single Christmas, you will wake up and there will be many gifts up under the tree because you were a money magnet. You was attracting things into your life unconsciously. That's because at that time when you were an infant, when you were a child, you was on the highest frequency of money, okay? The reason why the rich get richer is because they stay on the money frequency. They do not go below that money frequency, okay? You've been doing that the whole time, okay? Maybe you're in a situation right now where you're like, I don't have enough money, but I can guarantee you this. There have been times where you have had money. As a matter of fact, a lot of it. Don't you remember how you felt when you had a whole lot of money? Don't you remember how you felt when you got your biggest check? Yeah, you was out splurging. You was out circulating money. You felt good. Life was great, right? But my question to you is, do you remember how you actually got there? Do you remember the feelings that you were feeling before the money actually manifested? Well, that's what I'm about to highlight for you, to tell you what you were doing right before you got onto the highest frequency of money. Okay, so stay tuned through this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to be into the money frequency right now. Just go ahead and give this video a thumbs out and comment below and say, I am in the money frequency right now. Leave a comment below and say, I am in the money frequency right now. You have been bamboozled. You have been fooled, and you have been led to believe that you should talk about everything that's going wrong in your life. You've been led to believe that you should give your feelings over to lack, over to poverty. Anytime bills come up, most people are programmed to start feeling sad. Anytime something expensive comes into a person's reality who thinks that things are expensive, they automatically get this feeling that comes over them like, I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm able to afford this. They automatically think that they are not worthy to have what they want. So this feeling comes over them that controls the next hour, that controls their next accomplishment, that controls the destiny for the future, for things to come. Feeling is the key to staying on the money frequency. Whomever is able to keep their frequency in the highest frequency is the person who will attract all the opportunities that want to help them have more money. See, the thing is, money is just the energy. So most of the time, it never comes in physical form, like dollar amounts, like paper. Yeah, like it never comes in a physical form. It comes in opportunities. It comes in your thoughts. It comes after you are able to feel good and be able to express money from yourself. People that have a lot of money, notice how they act. Notice how they behave. Notice their smile. Notice how they make you feel when you go around them. You want to be just like that. You want to have the things that they possess. That is the key to attracting money to you. If you are able to express a feeling, a behavior that you are money constantly without worried about what people would think around you who are broke, you will attract more money. And see, that's the thing I really believe that a lot of people face, and why they don't have a lot of money is because they feel like if they express this money vibration and they stay on this money frequency, what is my best friend gonna think who thinks in lack? What is my dad gonna think who thinks in lack? You know, what's my mom gonna think who thinks in lack? Why do I feel bad expressing this feeling of money around them? Listen, you cannot control the destiny of everybody else, but you can control the destiny of yourself, okay? If you want to stay on the highest frequency of money, you have to get in the habit of expressing the feeling that you are abundant at all times. You have to show your true self. You have to show your highest self. You have to, ladies, you have to be able to wear all your beauty without feeling bad around your friends. Yeah, they might say you are conceited. They might say you are cocky. They might say you're arrogant. But you know deep down in your heart, you're not a negative person. See, the world around you wants you to think that you can't have the things that you truly know you deserve. I'm gonna say that one more time. The world around you, it make you think that you can't have the things that you rightfully deserve. So most people buy into that belief that feeling upset, feeling sad, feeling down, feeling distraught, feeling frustrated. If I feel frustrated that I don't have the money of this thing that I think is expensive for me because I don't feel worthy that I can buy it, that's good because it's too expensive. You see what I'm saying? It's too expensive. So I'm not the problem. The product is the problem. The company is the problem. The merchant is the problem. The store is the problem. The store is too expensive. I'm not the problem. That's how most people think. And that's why most people stay in financial limitations. Okay? That's one thing that I did on my journey, that when I broke out of the financial limitation mindset, I stopped seeing myself as a worm. I stopped seeing myself as the bottom of the barrel. I stopped seeing myself as the person who goes to the restaurant and gets the cheap stuff. I stopped seeing myself as a person who gotta just always go to Dollar Tree to get the things that I want. I started going to Saks Fifth. Now you don't find nothing but Saks Fifth bags around me, baby. Gucci bags around me, baby, because I deserve the best of the best. See, God wants you to have the best of the best and even more of it, okay? And if you stay in the mindset of God, if you stay on the highest frequency of abundance, prosperity, if you really feel like money and you are able to express it and behave like money, money will come to you. People will ask you, how do you have what you have? How do you do what you do? That's because I'm on the money frequency, honey. You can come there too. But you can't hate on me in order to get that, boo. That rhymed, didn't it? That's what this is all about. This is how you stay on the highest frequency of money and be able to attract money easily and effortlessly, okay? You have to simply just feel good about yourself, and you have to radiate money. When people see you, they have to think money. Ask yourself, when people think about you, and you know how people think about you, you know what they be thinking behind your back. You smart. We're like-minded individuals. I know what people think about me, but when people think about TreniuS, they think about money. They think about money. I'm talking about it now. But seriously, when people think about you, they need to think about currency. You're on the current of money, okay? You're a bioelectrical being who's always attracting things to you. And when people think about you, they need to think, this is a person on a high frequency. I need to act like I got some sense when I come around them. See, when you got that money frequency all over you, people treat you with respect. People open the doors for you. People don't disrespect you when they're in your presence. People don't give you the cheap stuff when they trying to give you gifts. When you're on a money frequency and people just know that you are a money magnet, they treat you differently. But you have to ask yourself, who's treating you like you're not a money magnet? That's because that person doesn't see you in the money frequency. You see what I'm saying? So this is how you stay on the highest frequency to be able to attract money. You have to feel like it. You have to behave like it. You have to talk like it. You have to walk like it. You have to act like it. You have to become money. Okay, you have to stay on the money frequency. And I can guarantee you, money will easily just flow into your life in the form of opportunities, in the form of meeting new people. Sometimes people are the gateway to attracting more money. Okay, so stay open-minded to the people that's coming into your life that want to help you succeed, that want to help you prosper. Okay, the ideas that come into your mind can be ideas for you to attract more money. Okay, remember, money might not always come in a physical form at first, in the form of dollar. Okay, but it might come in the form of opportunity. It might come in the form of meeting people, networking. It might come in the form of ideas. But you have to stay in the money vibration, okay? People that's always constantly in the money frequency, they feel so good about themselves, they can just talk to anybody because they got that money. And they just feel good when they go in crowds of people because they got that money. Can't nobody touch them. They feel good when they walk into stores because they got that money. Okay, you can be in a high frequency vibration and walk into a store that once upon a time used to call expensive, and just because you're in that highest frequency of money, the people that work in there, they're gonna treat you with respect because they think that you got the money, but they don't really know what you got in your bank account. But I'm just saying this to say that the money frequency is all you need in order to attract more money into your life. Now, if this video resonated with you, if you totally agree with what I'm talking about, speak up, let your voice be heard below. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about being in the money frequency, in the highest frequency of money. Have you, once upon a time, realized that you were not in the money frequency and you had to bounce back? Did this video help you bounce back? Did this video help you get back into the money frequency? I want to know your thoughts. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below, okay? And give this video a thumbs up if it resonated with you, okay? Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon and hitting that bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload new videos every single day, like these two right here. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm TreniuS Henderson. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I'm in the money frequency, man. I feel good.